comparing, ordering fractions, decimals, and percents, we talked about changing them all into what form again? Decimals. Decimal is going to be our more direct, easier, less yucky option. So our advice for comparing and ordering fractions, decimals, and percents. Change all values into decimal form. This even gets an eye-catching bubble. Save yourself some headache. You can do the other methods. I'm not going to stop you, but I'm also not going to feel bad if it takes you twice as long to do the problem. Okay. Sorry?
That was me. He said, do you know the method? Was it you? No, I swear. He said, do you know the method? Do you know the method?
Which
like that one. I thought.
do I know how to change it back and forth? Yes?
Are you going to teach us both?
I'm just going to teach you to change them into decimals.
The fast one.
The fast one. The more efficient one.
I already
Right.
know the best method.
So we're going to order these three values from least to greatest. 1/4, 0.2 repeating, and 27%. Another component to changing them to decimals is to make sure you have the same number of digits for each decimal value. Okay, so, and I'll point that out in just a second. So how do I turn 1/4 into a decimal? What's the strategy? Maria? Division. So I'm going to do 1 divided by 4. Right? You put the numerator, and then I always say divided by to draw the little division symbol around it. That helps me remember what goes where. 1 divided by 4. 4 cannot go into 1, so I have to put a 0 there. 4 goes into 10 2 times. Bring down another 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times. So this is going to be equivalent to 0.25. I'm just showing, like you don't have to, I mean, if you know 1/4 is 0.25, that's fine. Yep. 0.2 repeating, I'm going to write this as 0.22 repeating so that I have 2 digits here and 2 digits here. And then how do I turn 27% into a decimal? What do I do? CJ?
Move the decimal to the left 2 spaces.
Yep, so I take the 27 and I go like that, so I get 0.27. And again, I have 2 digits compared to 2 digits compared to 2 digits. You must write your answer. In the original form. Right? So I can't use 0.25 in my answer, and I can't use 0.27. I have to use 1/4 and 27%. You okay? So what will my final answer be? What is the order least to greatest? Xavier?
It's 0.2 repeating,
Mm-hmm.
and then 1/4,
Mm-hmm.
and then 47%.
Fantastic. So the form that it's given to you should be what you use in your answer, not the converted decimal values. Try one more example. Coming around, check all your fancy note-taking work. So if I were to convert these, I would get 0.02, 0.10, and 0.03. Right. So I moved the decimal 2 places here, so I had to put the 0 placeholder. 1 divided by 10, or if I just say it, 1/10, I get 0.1. I put a 0 here so that I'm comparing 2 digits to 2 digits. And then this is just the way that it was. So what will my final answer be from least to greatest? Ella, what'd you get? 2%. And then 1/10. Perfect. Does anybody have questions about this? Yes, Jackson. Yes.